Hi, I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Here is your NBC3 First Alert forecast, and there's a lot to discuss. In the short term, any early morning rain should taper off. We have high wind warnings and wind advisories as strong winds from the west-southwest move in, sustained at 20 to 30. Gusts past 40 miles an hour for central New York and possibly as high as 60 miles an hour directly east of Lake Ontario. That wind, which could cause some local damage, especially over higher terrain and east of Lake Ontario, will also slam the temperatures down. The 48-degree high is at sunrise. It technically was already 50, to be quite honest. Notice the temperatures are dropping into the 20s. And granted, there's not going to be a ton of precipitation from about mid-morning to mid-afternoon. Yeah, there may be some passing flurries or snow showers. I actually think the sun's going to come out. The key thing is, though, we've had enough melting, right? We've had rain and melting. You know how the snow gets pushed up against the median of a highway like 690 or 81? Well, if there's any snow left, it's going to continue to drip this morning. Same thing for hills, you know, like Route 173, for example, in Manlius, or Route 20 in Cazenovia, Lafayette, Skaneateles. When you're in those hillier areas, all that snow melts down the hills, right? And then the plows that pushed it off, all that snow is melting onto the incline roads. Well, if it's still dripping, that drip is going to ice over with temperatures in the 20s if it's not treated. So watch for a flash freeze of some roads if they're not treated this afternoon and there's still some wetness. It will ice over. Lake effect snow starts up directly east of Lake Ontario this afternoon. And there are numerous weather alerts. We've mentioned the wind advisory and wind warning. There's also a wind chill warning in effect for much of central New York tonight through tomorrow morning because of wind chills under 20 below. And there's lake effect snow warnings because directly east of Lake Ontario, some of you are going to be measuring in feet. It's not going to be Syracuse. It's likely to be southern Jefferson, northern Oswego, and western Lewis counties. Everybody, though, gets a bitter taste of Arctic air late tonight through tomorrow. Early morning rain subsides. Clouds, some sun, tumbling temperatures. Watch for that flash freeze of roads as temperatures tumble into the 20s. And while there may actually be some flurries or light snow showers that occasionally come off of Lake Erie, I purposefully drew in this darker blue area of snow, indicating some heavier lake effect snow. Now, there may be some wobbling tonight, first north and south, but when you include everything tonight and through tomorrow night and through Wednesday, that's when feet of snow can occur. Now, just tonight, this is just by tomorrow morning. I think a foot of snow is likely in certain parts of southern Jefferson, extreme northern Oswego, and much of Lewis counties, with possibly as much as 1 to 2 feet in Barnes Corners, the town of Worth, and maybe Adams. It's that same area. Watch how the lake effect snow really doesn't move very much up north there. Yeah, it moves a little bit, but it's that northern Tug Hill and extreme southern Jefferson County and western and northwestern Lewis County that I'm most concerned about for maybe upwards of 4 to 5 feet of snow with only a couple of inches in central New York during this whole period. But everybody has those wicked wind chills. In fact, the wind chill in Syracuse by tomorrow morning and much of central New York should at least be 20 below at around 7 a.m. Okay? So it might be even as cold as 25 or 30 degrees below zero. Just to let you know, at 20 below, you get frostbite in 30 minutes. I don't think it's going to be as cold as 40 below, but you can kind of do the math. If you're in between this, 25, 30 below, then you're talking 20 minutes of frostbite time on any exposed skin, so just be aware of that. Sunshine, we'll get about a third of the amount of sunshine today, 25% sunshine Tuesday, and Wednesday, 33% sunshine. The rain is going to taper off, and then it's that heavy lake effect snow developing later this afternoon, continuing Tuesday and Wednesday up north, with just flurries or light snow showers in central New York. Here's your 7-day forecast. It's going to be brutal around here late tonight through tomorrow, kind of evening it out by the end of the week. Have a great day.